looks of it, it says 3. From them, me I talk to you.
You not talk to me.
Me I talk to you.
When I have something good to talk to me, you come to me, brother. Come here. Listen to me, behave. Behave. When I have something righteous to come talk to me, boy, you come talk to me.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Bree and I'm back with another video. So guys, tell me why when me do laundry today, me see Rick pants and decided to make a pull one serious prank on him. So what me gonna do is, guys, I'm gonna put an empty condom box in my pants pocket and tell him say, you know, say while me do laundry, I find this in your pocket and see how it might go react. So guys, if you guys want to see that video and see how he reacts, just stay tuned. Don't forget to like the video, spam Team Bree in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Mr. B, I'm tired.
What's that?
I do laundry today, dog.
Where do laundry?
The wash towel, wash sheet, wash some clothes for you.
Regular thing.
Regular.
Regular. You wash my shots and my work for what?
Yeah, wash it.
Okay.
How you go? What do you in your jeans pants? Where you go? What do you in your jeans pants?
Me tell you what I have already?
Which part?
Me tell us me I go down hard work never do this. Me tell you everywhere me go.
Well, I did the laundry today. I'm gonna find this in the jeans pants. But you say you're weird. Hardware. What is?
What?
And by the looks of it, it says 3. And then you see no in the heat. So you've been using these a lot.
B, come on, don't do that.
Don't be me.
Don't do that.
Don't be me. What is?
Where that come from?
In your pants pocket.
That can never in my pants, bro.
Yeah, tell me.
That can never.
I mean wash it and I mean find you.
Me
Why
not-
not?
Stop. Come in and joke with you. Stop with this. First of all, we don't need condom, brother.
Condom says that's not fling anyway.
Me not go out and fling nothing now, brother. Me
So
wear the condom.
what that? Explain that.
Me don't know where you get that from, brother.
In your pants.
You can't get that in my pants. You can't get this in my pants, yo.
So where you come from then?
And you know, so me not like condom already.
Exactly. So you shot me. And you just put on a show. You tell me say you never use this already.
Put on a show for do what? You tell us me don't know about this something yet. What kind of foolish? You love stress me out, brother?
Me I stress you out and you stress me right now. You have my head going. You make me want to do something. You find this.
Where your head go?
In your pocket.
Are you want your head going because what this is in my pants pocket?
So where you come from?
Is it that me don't know how it go there or somebody put it in there or something, but and me put it in there.
Why you go up on the road?
Me
Why you go up on the road?
Me want. Me tell you me don't do certain things
So you
where
don't go up on no friend or nobody?
you're one person,
Which person?
one long time friend of mine.
Oh.
We even talk for long.
And then you use that.
Use what?
That! When you go
Yo,
3 round.
come in, no
When you go 3 round.
Stop friendly something on my youth. You say you ram too much, brother.
Who a ramp?
You ram too much. Me say me no
Who a ramp with you?
Me say me no
Who
know.
a ramp with you?
Me say me no know where that come from, me there, fam. So where you come to me with my food? You should know better than that too.
Exactly. Exactly. So I don't know what wetter than your pants.
Bro,
Don't bruv me.
me don't know where that come from. I'm serious. Is either you play with me
How much
or
they play
somebody
with
putting
you?
on my pants
Who?
for you vex with me and argue with me. Me don't know if I
Who
saw you
have
go.
access
but
to your pants?
me don't know who there when you there or when me not there. Me don't know what if nobody coming to you or what.
Nobody not coming to me. I know that.
Listen, it's either you put in there or somebody put it in there
What
to
me
make
supposed to
me
get it
argue
from?
that me I tell you.
Where me supposed to get it from? And who have access to your clothes? Them either from me and you. And me not do it.
Listen, listen, don't come to me no foolish. Listen. Me serious, me not listen. You see me
You love stutter. You love stutter when you tell lie.
I don't know lie me I tell
I lie you
you. And me stutter me pissed off, brother. And I get upset.
I'm upset. Where I get upset from?
Because you come to me foolish.
It's not foolish.
It's either you put in there or somebody put in there.
How me
To make me argue. Me don't know whether find out who you have come here or who you have.
now come here.
Yo, listen me. You listen me. You know what I'm going to alone, brother?
Yeah, man. That's all I love do. Run away. Run away from them. Me I talk to you.
You not talk to me.
Me I talk to you.
When I have something good to talk to me, you come to me, brother. Come here. Listen me, behave. Behave. When you have something righteous to come talk to me, boy, you come talk
So that
to me.
not righteous. Me need to know
Listen
what
me, me say me not put it in
Me
there.
need to know what going with
Me
you.
say me not put it in there.
So who put it in there?
Come out of my face, my youth.
Who put it in there?
I'm fin know.
I'm finna. I never know nothing yet.
Just like you.
Listen to me. Don't involve me.
Bro, you know, left you alone.
Nah, you know, I left you alone.
You walk out in that car.
Run away like you always do.
Me not run away, but you come to me foolish. Yeah, piss me off now. Wait, what me I put condom in my pants for?
Because you
Me
use
I
it.
either even
You use it and my mom to take it out. Just say that. And that tree, pack a condom coming there for.
Yo,
You go tree
yo,
around. And you go tree around and you're tired and you don't forget say it in your pocket
me
to dash him. You
go
know?
3 round and forget to me tired put in a pocket. Me not argue with you.
You know why you argue with me?
Me not argue with you.
You know why you argue with me?
Because me know where you come from with this bullshit. I come ask man about if man have condom in your pocket. Because me an idiot. What me do with condom in my pocket? And look at that, the big old dirty box. What me do with the big old dirty box in my pocket?
As me say, you go your 3 round and you're tired and you forgot it.
There is no way in hell man I was tired enough to go back to the woman with that in them pocket.
People slip up.
Not that big.
Believe me.
No people slip up, but not that big.
People
Old dirty
slip up.
Yo, me say people slip up, but not that big old dirty slip up there, man.
Well.
You must feel like a big old dirty box in your back.
When you sit
your
down
pocket.
in your pants pocket, then I feel that. You sit down and
Yo,
you
you
press
not
out.
saying, you not
I look on it too. You box press out and you open up. You sit down on the box press out, so how you gonna feel say you have one bulge say something in your pocket?
Me not reason with it, man. You see, anytime you have something proper, you come reason with me about, you come to me that God. When you come to me about, we do a fuck me.
I always fuck you.
I'm not laughing at that. Stop bothering my brain, brother.
I'm not. That's fine.
Oh.
We are go. Run away. Run away from the troubles.
Brother, I don't know where you get this thing from, brother. Is it that you put in? I mean, know you put in.
Hello, let's turn this shit. Don't turn this around. Where you go to? Come here. I'm Frank.
Brother, I don't know phone you should have, brother. But me read condom in my pocket, brother. Look on the big old box. Who are going now go remember say that in pocket, brother? Who now go look on the box? Shine light on the box so the box big. Who now go remember say that in pocket?
Of course.
Nobody gonna hear that, brother. Man, they upgrade nowadays. Hold up, tell them.
So guys, we got him again. We got him
You got me nothing,
Surprise! I got you pissed. Just like I behave. So guys, if you guys enjoyed the video, please leave a like. Remember to subscribe to the channel. Peace out.